Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'll be guiding you through how to change language in Delta Force. If you want to change the language setting in Delta Force so that you can enjoy the game in your preferred language, first of all launch the Delta Force game on your device. On the main menu screen, click on the settings button at the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, scroll down from the left and look for language and tap on it. You can then go ahead and change your text language as well as the voice language. To change the text language, select the download button right next to the language you want to download, and after the download is complete, you can select the downloaded language. Now click OK and you have successfully changed the language setting for your Delta Force game. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.